This is the CTED and the Prytanis government. Make sure your device is audible. The following broadcast is vital for your survival. We, the CTED, will not reveal our identity. There had been several reports within Prytanis where insurgents had been using peach-esque humanoids around 297 centimeters tall. Do not be in a distance where you can see them. Do not touch them as well. If you do happen to have done any of those actions, please commit suicide. There is unimaginable horror waiting for you if you do not. Those humanoids are from the planet Insula in the Sliver system, and it is unknown how they ended up on Earth. Thank you for your cooperation.